How did Japan attack Pearl Harbor then, if the Earth is flat? Well, like this. Because this is a flat Earth map. It actually makes a lot of sense on a flat Earth map, not on a ball. But you know, this would actually take someone to do a little bit of research and then trust their own brain, which most people don't these days. Now let's look at some other flight paths, because if it works for Pearl Harbor, then it should work for other flight paths, right? If the world is flat, it should work. So let's take a look at this. This is weird. Wellington to Lima, Peru, and it stops in Los Angeles. It's weird because on a ball, that makes zero sense at all. But when you look on a flat Earth map, it makes 100% sense. So this is the thing. When you start to actually look at flight paths, they prove we live on a flat Earth. Let's take a look at another. All right, so now we head from Sydney, Australia to Lima, Peru. And for some reason, it stops in Los Angeles. Now, that's weird. On a ball, it makes no sense at all. They wouldn't stop in Los Angeles on a ball. It just doesn't make any sense. On a flat Earth, it makes a lot of sense. So for all these people that have taken this flight and understand this, you know, because there are a lot of people out there that understand this, still some people don't, because, you know, when the media and the news tells you something, you expect to be able to believe it. So I understand, but I think it's time we do our own research. Let's take a peek at another flight path and see if we can make sense of this. Buenos Aires to New Delhi. And wait a minute, why is it stopping there? That doesn't make any sense, unless, of course, we live on a flat Earth, and then it makes a lot of sense. See, all of this stuff, I have so many proofs that we live on a flat Earth on my website. You can go, it's a new book that I just put up. It's in a members only page, but you can definitely go and check it out. You don't have to, but you can. And then for free on my website, I have tons of information, pages and pages of information. So it's up to you to do the research, all right? It's up to you at this point, because you have to learn and then you have to choose. What do you believe? Do you believe we're spinning endlessly through the galaxy on a ball? Endlessly, 1,000 miles an hour, 66,700 miles an hour, chasing the sun through the galaxy infinitely, 500,000 miles an hour, but we look up every night and see the same stars for thousands and thousands of years? Give me a break. It doesn't make any sense. It's ridiculous. And when people say, oh, you don't understand, so just because you don't understand doesn't mean it's not. No, I understand, buddy. I went back and did all the research. I know all the numbers. I understand what science is telling me. What I'm saying is, when you learn the other side, you realize that what science is telling us is just not real. Because there's always another side. There's always two sides. We've only learned one. Learn the other side. Of course, if you want. I love you all. This is my opinion. Go to my website if you want to learn more.